Okay, dear students, in the last class we have seen some standards of integrals. Okay, six formulae were there. Six formulae: a square, x square, a square minus x square minus a square, a square plus x square, with root, without root, all six formulae we have seen. We have proved also. Okay, now we will take exercise 7.4. Okay. Integrate the following functions like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions we will do. Whatever the formulae we have learnt in the last class, based on that formulae or based on those formulae, we can do these questions. Okay. From 7th question onwards, some little bit concept is changed. That we will do in the next class with that concept. Okay. I will explain 5 minutes that concept and we will do in the next class. But now we can do all these 6 questions. Let us see one by one. First question, you see 3x square by x to the power of 6 plus 1. This is a function. We have to do integration. So how to take this for integration? You see, like this you have to take integral 3x square dx by 1 plus x to the power of 6. Okay. If you observe carefully, whatever we have learned, 6 formulae, those formulas do we use for doing this, getting solution or something like? Definitely. How? You imagine all denominator we have seen a square plus x square or a square minus x square or x square minus a square. A square you think 1 and x to the power of 6 you think x square, but how can you think x square has x to the power of 6? You cannot think. Then you can think in different way. Why? Because whatever we have learned formula, that formula I am rewriting in terms of t. How I am rewriting, you see. See, formula symbol I am keeping some star mark. See what I am doing. Integral dt by a square plus t square is equal to, you see, a square plus t square dt. You forget about 3x square dx temporarily. A square plus x square or a square plus t square dt. If x is there, dx will come, t is there, dt will come. Okay. If this is the case, what is the formula? We know very well. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse t by a. X by a means t by a. Here t, x is t here, plus c. Okay. If you observe this carefully, then by comparing these two, what you are going to understand? You are going to understand like this. You see, a square may be 1. Okay. And a also 1. And t square may be x to the power of 6. T may be x cube. If t is x cube, automatically t square, squaring on both sides will give x to the power of 6. That's all. Okay. If that is the case, then you require, see, a square is there, t square is there, but you require dt also. No? How you get dt? Differentiate it. Dt is equal to 3x square dx. Is this in numerator? Yes. Then you proceed. Okay, you see what I am doing. Integral 3x square dx by 1 square plus x cube whole square is equal to, see how I am writing, integral dt by 1 square plus t square. Is it okay? Okay. See now, that is equal to this one. 1 by a means 1 by 1 tan inverse t by 1 plus c. See, for understanding say 1 by 1 t by 1 I have written, but we need not write. Why? Because divided by 1 into 1 we need not write. Okay. Go back again. Tan inverse t means what? T means x cube plus c. That is the answer. Okay. Take this. We will go for second question. Okay. Okay. See the second question. Integral dx by square root of 1 plus 4x square. Okay, we know one formula. You see what I am writing. In terms of t I am writing. You see integral dt by square root of a square plus t square is equal to, I have changed x as t. Okay. If this is the formula, you see, if square root comes in denominator, 1 by 2a will not come. Okay, 1 by 2a will not come. 1 by 2a will not come. Then directly log of x means here t plus square root of t square plus a square under root plus c. This will be the formula. Okay, for this. Why? Because see, dx x square. Then here x square plus a square. Like this we have to think. Okay. Now compare this. Compare both. Then t square. A square will be 1, a will be 1. We know very well. T square will be 4x square right now. T square is equal to 4x square comma t is equal to 2x. Is it okay? Square. T square 4x square. T will be 2x. If t is 2x, then dt will be 2 dx. Dt will be 2 dx. Okay, d by dx of 2x is 2. Dt by dx, x will go that side. Okay. See, we want only dx. 2 dx we don't want. Then what we have to do? Dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. You send this t this side. Denominator 1 by 2 dt. This will be your dx. Now go back and write this question, rewrite this question. Dx divided by 1 plus 4x square under root can also be written as like this. Integral 1 by 2 dt by square root of 1 square plus t square. That is equal to, see, 1 by 2 we keep outside only. Okay. Then okay, what is this? This one, log t plus square root of t square plus a square. A square means 1, that's all, plus c. Okay. Okay. Now then write down 1 by 2 log t means what? T means 2x. 2x plus square root of this one, 1 plus 4x square plus c. Okay. This will be your answer for your second question. Take this, we will go for third question. Okay. See the third question. Integral dx by 2 minus x whole square plus 1. This also you see square root is there and a square plus x square like is there. This you think as x square, a square. Okay. See how I am rewriting the formula, like just like earlier formula only. Again I am rewriting that formula. You see integral dt by square root of a square plus x square or x square plus a square is equal to, okay, log x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, this will be your formula. Then you compare this, dt means here t square has to come and here t has to come. Here t square has to come. Why? Because dt, t square, t square. Okay. Now come back again. You compare this. A square will be 1, a will be 1. I did not tell you, but you compare t square. T square is equal to 2 minus x whole square, comma t is equal to 2 minus x. Okay. If t is 2 minus x, what will be dt? dt by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 minus x. You see d by dx of 2 is 0, d by dx of minus x is minus 1, minus 1. That means dt is equal to minus dx. or else dx is equal to minus dt. Is it okay? Okay, definitely okay. Then come back. Integral dx by 2 minus x whole square plus 1 under root is equal to integral. See, dx is equal to minus dt. Minus I am keeping out, dt inside, square root of 2 minus x will be t square. T square plus 1 square under root. Same formula, a square. A is t, a is 1, sorry, a is 1, okay. Write down minus log of t, t means what? T only, plus square root of t square plus 1. Why? Because here a square is 1 only, under root plus c. Now you substitute t, that is equal to minus log modulus of t. T means what? 2 minus x. 2 minus x plus square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. Is it okay? Okay. Is this question over? But see, slight modification we can do. Minus log is there, na? This minus I am sending top. See, log m power n is equal to n log m. N log m is equal to log m power n. Here n is minus 1. M log m power minus 1. You see how I am writing? Log 2 minus x plus square root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 power minus 1 plus c. You see here minus is not there. This minus I have sent to top. Log m power n like. If that is the case, how can you rewrite this? You can rewrite like this again. Log of 1 by all will go in denominator plus square root of 2 minus x square plus 1 plus c. Is it okay? If you want, you can expand also. Expand and keep it, or else this is question. Same thing also you can keep. This is the third question. Take this, we will go for fourth question. Okay? Okay. See the fourth question. Integral dx by square root of 9 minus 25x square. Equivalent formula I am writing, you see. Integral dt by square root of a square minus t square is equal to, but square root is there, 1 by 2a will not come. But if you observe carefully here, 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a means here what? Sin inverse t by a plus c. This will be our formula. Why? Because d by dx of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 is a square, like you think in your mind. Okay? Okay. Now come back again. You see here, unlike earlier questions, a is not 1 here. A is 3. See how I am writing. A square is equal to 9, comma, a is equal to 3. Okay? Then again, t square is equal to 25x square, comma, t is equal to 5x. Okay? T is equal to 5x. If t is 5x, automatically t square, 25x square, 25x square. Okay? Now see, when t is 5x, you want dx also. Then you make dt. dt is equal to, dt by dx is equal to 5 dx. Or else dx is equal to 1 by 5 dt. Okay? Now you rewrite this question. See how I am writing. Integral dx by 3 square minus 5x whole square under root is equal to integral 1 by 5 dt. 1 by 5 dt divided by square root of 3 square minus 5x is t square. t square, that is equal to, you see actually for this only sine inverse t by a will come, but you see here 1 by 5 already outside is there, then you keep 1 by 5 also. 1 by 5 sine inverse t, t is what? T by 5, first you write t by a is 3 here, t by 3 plus c, okay? Then you substitute t also, that is equal to 1 by 5 sine inverse t means how much? 5x. 5x by 3 plus c. Okay? Take this, we will go for fifth question. Okay? Okay. See the fifth question. Integral 3x dx by 1 plus 2x to the power of 4. Temporarily you forget about numerator, you see only denominator a square plus x square or a square plus t square, same thing. Why? Because tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse x by a, 1 by a tan inverse t by a will come. Okay, I am writing once again, you see formula here, star mark integral dt by a square plus t square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse t by a plus c. This is the formula. Okay, you see all in terms of t it is there. dt t square 1 by a tan inverse t by a. Okay, you come back again here. You see a square 1 means a is also 1 here, I did not tell you, but t square you compare. T square is equal to 2x to the power of 4 comma t is equal to root 2 x square. Is it correct or not? First you see, but because this is important. If t is root 2 x square, then you square t square is equal to root 2 into root 2, 2 will come, x square whole square x to the power of 4 will come. Okay, is it okay? Okay, then you differentiate with the t. dt is equal to 2 root 2 x dx. Is it okay? Why? Because root 2 is coefficient, 2x will come, root 2 2x dx. Okay, now you rewrite this equation. You see here 3x dx is there, not 2 root x dx. Then you take 3 outside, x dx only you take. See what I am doing. X dx is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 dt. This 2 root 2 is added by denominator, dt by 2 root 2 is equal to x dx. Okay, now you rewrite. You see how I am rewriting this question. Integral 3 x dx by 1 square plus root 2 x square whole square is equal to, like this I am rewriting. You see, same 3x dx by 1 plus root 2 x square whole square means 2 x to the power of 4. Okay, definitely okay. Then you rewrite this 3 integral x dx will be how much? 1 by 2 root 2. That means you see 3 into 1 by 2 root 2 integral dt divided by 1 square plus t square. T will be root 2 x square. T square is equal to, same formula, a square is 1 like. Okay, then 1 by 1 you need not write now. Why? Because we have got experience. Directly we will write 1 by 1 we need not write. Directly I am writing tan inverse t by 1 also you need not write. You write only tan t plus c. Tan inverse t plus c. Okay, wait. Here it is there na, 3 by 2 root 2. Okay, you write down 3 by 2 root 2. 3 by 2 root 2 already available, but this will come tan inverse t plus c. Okay, write down again, that is equal to 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse t means how much? 2 root 2 x square plus c. Okay, this will be your answer for your fifth question. Take this, we will go for sixth question. Okay, see the sixth question. Integral x square dx by 1 minus x to the power of 6. You forget about numerator. Denominator is a square minus x square. or a square minus t square. You see, I am rewriting one formula. Integral dt by, see, square root is not there, a square minus t square. Why? Because t means t will come. A square minus t square is equal to, okay, see here square root is not there, that means 1 by 2a will come. 1 by 2a log, you see t has got negative minus, that means a minus t will come in denominator. A minus t in denominator, then a plus t in numerator plus c. This is a formula for this question. Okay. Now you compare and adjust. A square is 1, a is 1, you did not do anything. But t square will be x to the power of 6. You see, t square is equal to x to the power of 6 or t is equal to x cube. X cube whole square, x to the power of 6, t square. Okay. Then you make dt. dt is equal to 3x square dx. X square dx is there. Then you do one thing. X square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. Okay? Then you rewrite this question. You see, integral x square dx by 1 square minus x cube whole square is equal to integral 1 by 3 dt divided by 1 square minus t square. Okay, 1 by 3 outside like us only, but you see this formula. You see, 1 by 3 into a is 1. You did not write only 1 by 2a means 1 by 2 log a minus t means 1 minus t. 1 minus t, 1 plus t plus c. Okay, then you substitute t, that is equal to 1 by 6 log 1 plus t means how much? X cube by 1 minus x cube plus c. This will be the answer for your 6th question. Okay. We will do one thing. We will stop this class here. We will meet in the next class. And from question number 7 onwards, we will try to solve in the next class. Thank you very much.